Hello friends, I'm V. Sridhar, Maths lecturer from My Dreams Academy, Dilshad Nagar, Hyderabad. So today I will explain few questions from previous EAMCET questions. Okay, I will select the one topic, locus. Suppose, so this is a one question from locus, this is actual question from 2021 question. So here, so actually what is given, if point P x comma y moves such that, okay, moves such that sum of the square of its coordinates is equal to their product, then locus of P excluding the origin, okay, excluding the origin. So here we want to find the locus, okay, locus of P excluding the origin. Here by using the given conditions, so just find out the equation. So this is very simple and basic question from locus, okay. So here actually suppose this is y axis, this is x axis, okay, x comma y. Here already given that the point is P is any point excluding the origin, so assume the P is any point, okay, any point, assume that P lies in the first quadrant or second, third or fourth, any quadrant. Suppose, so I am assuming here P of this is x comma y, okay. Suppose here already we know that x coordinate is nothing but distance from y axis. This is the distance from y axis, okay. Y coordinate is nothing but distance from x axis, okay. So this is x comma y, these are the distances. The P point lies in the first quadrant, already we know that is a positive, negative, negative, like that, okay. So here, so actually our condition is, what is our condition? So if a point P x comma y moves such that sum of the square of its distance coordinate of its coordinates is equal to their product, that's it. So a simple condition is sum of square of their coordinates, x comma y are their coordinates, okay, coordinates, x coordinate, y coordinate, sum of the square of coordinates is equal to product of, okay, product of is equal to product, okay, product of the coordinates. So x square plus y square is equal to xy, okay. So by using this, find the equation of locus. So these are the four options, so simple equation. So just divide this equation by xy, we'll get x square plus y square by xy is equal to 1. Xy by xy is 1. Now split here. So x square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 1, okay. Now here x gets cancelled, y gets cancelled, x by y plus y by x is equal to 1. So x by y plus y by x is equal to 1, x by y plus y by x equal to 1. So our required option is C. So our third option is true. So next question, second question from change of axis, okay. So change of axis is when the origin is shifted to -1, 2 by translation of axis. The transformed equation of x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0 is, this one also EAMCET, okay, EAMCET 2021 recent question. These are very simple, very easy questions. So these are completely based on the IP only. Suppose here change of axis, here already we know the change of axis and rotation of axis, okay. When origin is shifted to h comma k, we know the original coordinates expressed in the new coordinates, x equal to capital X plus h, y equal to capital Y plus k, okay. So here, so when the origin is shifted to -1, 2, so origin is shifted to -1, 2, this is h comma k, okay, h comma k. By translation of axis, so axis, the transformed equation of, so this is a original equation, so this is given equation is a original equation, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. This is original equation, okay. So now find the transformed equation. So when origin is shifted to, here already we know the formulas, simple problem. This is origin is shifted to, so this is x comma y, origin is shifted to h comma k, so h comma k, okay, h comma k. So origin is shifted to h comma k. So these are the p x comma y are the original coordinates with respect to x comma y. So when shifted, origin is shifted to when new axes are formed, okay, when new axes are formed with new axis, so this point is becomes capital X comma y. So already we know the one relation, x is equal to capital X plus h, y is equal to capital Y plus k. This is a relation between the original and new coordinates, original and new coordinates. Suppose x plus h is equal to capital X plus h, h is minus 1, y plus k, y plus 2, capital Y plus 2. Okay, so now substitute all these values in the given equation, we'll get the required answer. That's it. Suppose this is a original equation, x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to capital X minus 1 whole square plus y is equal to capital Y plus 2 whole square plus 2 into x is nothing but capital X minus 1, 4 into y is nothing but capital Y plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. This is our. Now simplify this, okay, simplify this, we'll get the option. So that's it. So very simple question this is. So we are comparing, actually what is a constant term? We are comparing we just deleted the two options here. So constants are 4, 4, 16, 16, 4, 4, 16, 16. Here what is the constant in the first term? 1. Here the constant is 1, okay, here constant is 4. Okay, so here the constant is minus 2, okay, here the constant is minus 8 plus 1. So the total our constants are 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, minus 8 plus 4, that is minus 4. Send minus 4 on that side. So either A or C options are true. So we can delete B and D. Okay, we can delete B and D. So by use, this is a shortcut method, so just no need to simplify the total term, okay, total term. So just take the only constant, compare the constant. When we compare the constant, so in the first and C, third option A and C, we have the constant is 4 and B and D constant is 6. So if constant is 4, so just delete the B and D, so select A and C. So out of these two, okay, out of these two select any one. So x square plus y square. So check, okay, after simplification here, so x minus 1 whole square, y plus 2 whole square, 2 into x minus 1 minus 4 into y plus 2 plus 1 equal to 0. So here, okay, so x square, so there is no x term. Now suppose simplify here, x square plus 1 minus 2x, okay, plus y square plus 4, y square plus 4 plus 4y plus 2x minus 2, okay, minus 4y minus 8 plus 1 equal to 0, okay, is equal to 0. So here x terms also gets cancelled here. We have only, okay, so y terms also gets cancelled here. So we have only x square, y square constant. So our required option is A. So only, so first option is true. So the next question, a rod of length 6 units, so slides with its ends on the coordinate axis, then the locus of midpoint of the rod. Okay, so this one question also from EAMCET, okay, EAMCET 2022 recent question. This one also very easy basics question. Okay, suppose, so here what is given here, a rod of length 6 units, a rod of length 6 units slides, okay, slides with its ends on the coordinate axis, slides along the coordinate axis, then the locus of midpoint of rod is, okay, locus of midpoint of rod is, this is x axis, this is y axis, this is one rod, okay, one rod slides on A comma B, okay, suppose A coordinate A comma 0 0 comma B, okay, so A is lies on x axis, that is a comma 0. B lies on y axis, that is 0 comma b. So the rod slides on the coordinate axis, so we want to find the midpoint, locus of midpoint. Assume that, so px comma y is a point on the locus, px comma y is a point on the locus here. So midpoint, locus of midpoint of AB, already given that suppose if px comma y is a midpoint of locus, so here already we know that a is a comma 0, 0 comma b, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so x is equal to a by 2, y is equal to b by 2, so a is equal to 2x, b equal to 2y. These are the values in terms of a comma b values in terms of x and y. But already another condition is given, so whose length of AB is given, AB is equal to 6. Okay, AB is equal to 6, a equal to a comma 0, b equal to 0 comma b. So length of rod AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, a square plus b square, a square plus b square is equal to 6. Now here, so squaring on both side, a square plus b square is equal to 36. A square plus b square equal to 36, but this is not a locus. So here we want to find the locus of p. Locus of p means, so equation in terms of x and y, so every locus represent the one standard equation, one particular equation. So now a is equal to, already we know that a equal to 2x, so a square is 4x square, b is 2y, so that is 4y square is equal to 36. So 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. So now take 4 common and send on that side, x square plus y square is equal to, so 36 by 4, that equal to 9. So this is the locus. Okay, this is a locus, represent the midpoint of AB, where a comma b is a rod, slides on the coordinate axis of length 6 units. So this is a locus of midpoint of AB. Okay, so our required option is x square plus y square is equal to 9. This is our correct option. So this is third question. So a is equal to 0 comma 4 and b is equal to 2 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. For sum 0 is less than theta is less than pi by 2, let p divides the line segment, AB in the ratio of 2:3, internally, then the locus of p is circle, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Actually every locus represent the one particular equation. The equation may be straight line, may be pair of straight line, circle or parabola, conic section, ellipse, whatever that may be. Every locus represent the one particular straight line, but that straight line is complete, that condition is depending on the condition, that is depending on the condition here. So for circle we have the different condition, for ellipse different condition, for parabola, for hyperbola, these all are the different conditions. So these are the depending on the conditions. So every locus represent the one standard equation. But equation that may be circle or may be ellipse, may be parabola, may be hyperbola, that is depending on the conditions. So here also when given conditions are a is equal to 0 comma 4, this is x1 y1, this one also basics question. This is a, b is equal to, b is 2 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta. So now px comma y, so assume that p is x comma y, divides the AB in the ratio of 2:3 internally. Ratio is also given 2:3, L:m, internal ratio. So actually these are the 2 points here. So this is a point 0 comma 4, this is b point 2 cos theta, comma 2 sin theta. These are the 2 points. Our required point P divides the 2:3 x comma y internally. Just apply the formula, we'll get the answer. So just check whether it is a circle or ellipse or hyperbola or parabola. Here already we know the circle equation, representation of circle. So general equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. That is the representation of circle. Okay. So general form. Suppose with center h comma k, radius r, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So standard form of ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Standard form. Parabola, y square equal to 4ax. Hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So check whether which one is true. Okay. Now here, so internally, here already we know the formula. P of x1, the given point P of x1 is equal to Lx2. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Okay, x2 y2. Lx2 plus mx1 by L plus m. Ly2 plus my1 by L plus m. Internal ratio, external, if it is external, so we can take the minus. So p x comma y is equal to p of x comma y is equal to Lx2. L is 2x2, 2 into 2 cos theta, that is 4 cos theta, plus Lx2 plus mx1, mx1 is 0 by L plus m, L plus m, Ly2, 4 sin theta, Ly2 plus my1, that is my1 by L plus m. So 5. Okay. Now here, so equate these two. So 5x is equal to 4 cos theta. Next, so equate second terms. 5y is equal to 4 sin theta plus 12. Okay. 4 sin theta plus 12. So here, okay, so 5x is equal to 4 cos theta, equation number 1. So just eliminate the theta from this equation. So we will get the locus. 5y minus 12 equal to 4 sin theta, equation 2. So eliminate the theta from these two equations, we will get the one standard equation. So eliminate. So for that purpose, so just add and 1 square plus 2 square. Add 1 square plus 2 square. So just square and add. We'll get 25x square plus 25y square. 25x square plus 25 or so 5x whole square plus 5y minus 12 whole square is equal to 4 square, 16 cos square theta plus 16 sin square theta, that is 16. Okay, that is 16. Here now take 5 common here, x square plus y minus 12 by 5 whole square. So 5 common here, already we have the square is there, 25 common, send 25 on that side, 16 by 25. Okay, 16 by 25 or x square plus y minus 12 by 5 whole square, 4 by 5 whole square. So this represents the x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So this represents the equation of circle with center 0, 12 by 5 and radius 4 by 5. So our required equation represents a circle. This is our required option. So this is next question. So this next question from the locus. If M is the foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin on the variable line L, okay, on the variable line L passing through the fixed point A comma B. Means our required line is passing through the A comma B. Our required line is passing through the A comma B. Then the locus of midpoint of OM. So locus of midpoint of OM. If M is the foot of perpendicular drawn from, actually this is a diagram. So for geometrical part, the diagrams are very important. So x axis, y axis, this is origin. Okay, this is origin 0 comma 0. Okay, M is the foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin to, okay, variable line L. So this is our required line. Okay, this is our required line. So this is our required line L. Okay, our required line L is passing through the already given our required line is passing through the point A comma B. Suppose assume that our required line is passing through the Q of A comma B. Q of A comma B. Okay, this is our required line is passing through the Q of A comma B. So this is our required line L. Okay, required line L passing through A comma B. This is origin. Already given that M is the foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin. M is the foot of perpendicular drawn from origin. Suppose alpha comma beta is assume that alpha comma beta is the foot of perpendicular. Alpha comma beta is the foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin to given line. Okay, origin to given. Now here we want to find what? Locus of midpoint of OM. Locus of midpoint of OM means this is. So we want to find the locus of midpoint of OM. Okay, so we want to find the P of x comma y. Okay, so that is our. So now we want to find the equation. So these are the 4 options. Okay, these are the 4 options. First option is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. So this represents the circle, straight line, circle, circle. Okay, so these are the different options here. So now here P x comma y, okay, locus of midpoint of OM. Okay, locus of midpoint of OM, P x comma y is equal to midpoint. Okay, midpoint of OM. P of x comma y is equal to midpoint x1 y1 x2 y2 x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is a relation between x comma alpha and beta, but x comma y and alpha comma beta. Suppose x is equal to alpha by 2, alpha is equal to 2x. Okay, y is equal to beta by 2. This implies beta equal to 2y. These are the values. Okay, now here if M is the foot of perpendicular from the origin to on this line. Okay, so now find the slope of OM. OM is perpendicular to MQ. Okay, OM is perpendicular to MQ. Find the slope of OM is M1, QM is M2, M1 into M2 equal to -1. Apply the condition. So substitute in place of alpha and beta. Okay, these values will get the equation in terms of x and y. So that represent the equation of locus. Okay, now here M1 is equal to, what is M1? Slope of OM, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is equal to beta by alpha. Okay, this is M1. So M2 is the slope of QM, slope of QM. M2 is equal to y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. These are the slopes. Okay, M1, M2. So M1 into M2 equal to -1. Already we know that if the two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is equal to -1. Okay, so beta by alpha into beta minus b by alpha minus a equal to, okay, equal to -1. So equal to -1. So now, okay, so now here I am using, suppose beta square, multiply beta square b beta is equal to minus alpha square plus a alpha. Okay, alpha square minus a alpha. Send alpha square minus a alpha on that side, minus alpha square plus a alpha. So So bring all terms from RHS to LHS, alpha square plus beta square minus A alpha minus B beta equal to 0. But already this is not a locus, okay, this is not a locus because we want to find the locus of midpoint of OM. So I am assuming the midpoint of OM is Px comma y. Okay, Px comma y. So now find the equation in terms of x and y. Okay, x and y, equation in terms of x and y. So already we know that alpha equal to 2x, beta equal to 2y. Substitute alpha comma beta in this equation, we will get the equation of locus. Alpha equal to 2x, 4x square plus beta equal to 2y, 4y square minus A alpha equal to 2x, 2A alpha is equal to 2x, beta is equal to 2y, 2by equal to 0. Okay. So now from this take the 2 common, 2x square plus 2y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. So 2x square plus 2y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. 2x square plus 2y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0. Okay. So alpha is equal to 2x. Okay. Alpha is equal to 2x. So take 2 common. So from that ax minus by equal to 0. So this is our required option. So our option is C. Okay. So this is our required option. Please like, share and subscribe the My Dreams channel, and for more details contact the given below numbers.